Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is Anaximander. He is the next Ionic philosopher. In previous lecture we studied about Thales, his philosophy, and today we'll see the ideas about universe, about the word, about explaining word of Anaximander. So let's start with introduction, little brief introduction about his life. He was born in 611 before Christ and died about 547 before Christ. And you can see from the date that he was just a generation younger than Thales. So he was contemporary to Thales. Anyhow, he was also an inhabitant of Miletus like Thales, and he was the disciple, the student of Thales. Anaximander was the first Greek philosopher who wrote a philosophical treatise. That treatise, however, been lost. But before him, obviously, Thales didn't write the treatise, and moreover, regarding the expertise of Anaximander, he was known for his astronomical and geographical knowledge, and he was the first man who constructed a map also in this connection. So let's head to the philosophy of Anaximander. Here, in whole of this course of pre-Socratic thought, all of you must keep the thing in the mind, in your minds, that all the pre-Socratic philosophy is cosmology, and by all philosophers we will try to know about universe and world, that out of what element and out of what substance the universe is formed, and what is universe, what is the first and basic principle of universe. So again the question is same, that what is world, what is universe, what is the basic and first principle of universe. So Thales said that the first principle of world is water. Anaximander does believe that the first principle of universe was material, but he doesn't believe that it is water. He believes that it is not in fact any particular kind of matter. Particular kind of matter means, obviously, when Thales said that the first principle of universe is water, water is a particular kind of matter. It is not matter in general. Matter in general means a matter that has all the qualities, all the different kinds within it, but yet it isn't changed into any particular kind of matter. So water is a particular kind of matter. It's not a rough matter, it's not a matter in general. So Anaximander believed that uh, the first principle of universe, although material, but it must not be any particular kind of matter. So what's the first principle of world then, according to Anaximander? He believed that it is rather a formless, indefinite, and featureless matter in general. I am repeating my words. It is rather a formless, indefinite, and featureless matter in general. Matter in general, matter is general is obviously would always be formless, featureless, characterless, indefinite, indeterminate matter. So matter that is having a form, that's a particular kind. For example, water, air, brass, iron. So if a matter is having form, so it must be a kind of matter. It must not be matter in general. So he said that the first principle of universe is formless. Formless means having no particular kind. Indefinite. Indefinite means again having no particular kind. And featureless. Featureless again means having not particular kind, not particular qualities, not particular quality. It is matter in general. I hope you understand this point, that the particular kinds of matter must be iron, brass, water, air, or other such kinds. So the difference between the different kinds of matter is qualitative. We know the air is air because it has the qualities of air, and differs from iron because iron has the qualities of iron, and so on. So the particular kind of matter is having difference of qualities. If there is air, if it is air, so air is having the qualities of air. If it is iron, it is having the qualities of iron, and it is not having the qualities of air. So between two different kinds of particular matters, the difference lies the difference of qualities. So when we talk about the matter in general is always featureless, qualityless. That means all the qualities are within or within the matter in general, yet it is not changed into any particular kind of quality. So Anaximander believed further the next point, that so far the matter in general is having no quality, or you can say indeterminate in quality. So it is likewise illimitable in quantity. It is not limited in quantity. Like it is indeterminate in quality, it is illimitable in quantity. He called it boundless. Boundless means illimitable in quantity, means having unlimited quantity. He believed that the boundless matter in general is stretched out into the space to the infinity. And it is unlimited, it is illimitable. And he also gave a reason for this opinion, for this thought of him. He believed that let's suppose if the matter in general or boundless were limited in quantity, so it would have been long ago finished in making innumerable worlds, or in process of the formation of innumerable worlds. So far the unlimited boundless is the cause of formation and destruction, creation and destruction of innumerable worlds. So therefore the matter in general, the boundless, must be then illimitable in quantity. It must be unlimited in quantity. So here one more thing you must note it, that Anaximander believed in innumerable words. He believed that the innumerable words succeed each other in time. First one word forms, it develops, and then it decays, and then another word arises, it forms, it develops, and then it decays, and the process goes on to the infinity. So we should now come back to our point, that he believes that the first principle of universe or word or things, these words are having same meaning in philosophy, is not any particular kind of matter, but it is matter in general. It is formless, featureless, indefinite, indeterminate, and it is illimitable in quantity. It is boundless. So here we end our today's lecture, and in next lecture, next class, we'll see that how uh, the formless, indefinite, indeterminate matter in general would form the word. Thank you so much.